really soon, but we just loaded up the kids, loaded up the car. He did let me know this morning, so I was able to pack this morning, and then he went to work. And when he got home, we all loaded in the car. So
She's not actually 35 yet because she was born at like 10 o'clock at night.
Yep.
Yeah, she's still 34.
So we are very excited.
Ready to know where we're gonna go.
And how long will it last?
Be there in an hour and 20 minutes.
Okay. Where?
And it's not in Florida. And it's not in Georgia.
It's not in North Carolina.
South Carolina.
Hilton.
And we've been there before. And we've been there with Luke and
Hilton
Andy.
Head.
We're going to Hilton Head. Yes.
Y'all excited?
Yeah.
Michael, what have you been eating? Cheetos. Are they good?
Cheeto Puff.
No? You like Cheetos? We had a really rough night last night. A lot of the kids are getting over a little cold that they have, so they were coughing, and we were all in one room, and the baby woke up at 4 a.m. So needless to say, I don't think we're gonna stay for the second night, even though we paid for it. I think we may end up heading out after dinner tonight, since we're just a 3-hour drive home, and that way everybody gets to sleep in their own bed. But I don't know, we'll see how the day goes and how everyone is feeling.